0863, vehicle number 0863. Question goes to 1086, Meghna Subhash. So 1 hour 13 minutes. Just come, fine. And not only her supporters, we are all everyone supporters. Please feel free to clap. Clapping is good for health. What? You guys are here for yoga, meditation day. You must be knowing clapping is good. Okay, all right. So we move on to the first place. It's 1156 Neha. She has completed in 1 hour 8 minutes. I know this girl. Come on. This side, this side. Congratulations to all the winners and all the participants as well, guys. You are no less than the winners. All right, without you, there is no event. Okay, we move on to the male category. 11.11 kilometers. The third position goes to 1043 Dikshit Chowdhury. Do you have Dikshit here? Fauji. For the people who do not know, he is coming all the way from Uttar Pradesh, if I'm not wrong. Dikshit Chowdhury, he has completed 11.11 kilometers in 47 minutes 50 seconds. I couldn't even complete on my cycle. Alright, so we move on to second position. It goes to Bridge Mohan 1023. 1023 Bridge Mohan, 46 minutes 48 seconds. The first position goes to beep number 1038. Gan Kam May. Okay, I may not pronounce your name properly, buddy, but yeah. Gan Kamai in 45 minutes 11 seconds. Okay. Thank you so much. Stay with us, Nandarki. Thank you so much. Per Nandi. Okay, so we are not done yet. So we have to call up people to thank. So who are actually behind this event? I call upon the Technip group to please come forward. Technip group to please come forward. Okay, Technip FMC. Yes. Huh? Okay. Yeah, there are a lot of people, so we stand here. All right. No. We have the privilege to stand here to be. Okay, guys. The photo shoot can be taken later. Technip group, please come forward. Technip FMC, please come forward. Okay, so this is a big group. So we have around 300 folks coming from this company today on this run. Hey, girls, big applause, guys, come on. 1, 2, 3, hey! Okay, please next. కొద్ది వెనకాకి వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే, ఆన్ ద కార్డ్. ఓకే, first picture, then a video. All right. Picture, when I say A, B, C, D, we all say E. Not here, sir. Okay. That is gone. Okay. A, B, C, D. Ready? Ready. Wait. Technip FM. Camera rolling. Photographer ready. Yes, for video will do Technip FMC. Okay, for now. Alright. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. One of the collaborators and PSS in swag. The sickness for that is like this, like the swag, the cool one. So, woo! This is swag. This is Baba. Thank you, guys. Okay, video. Guys, okay, video. Video technique ready. ABCD हो गया. Right? Swag is done, no? Ready? On my count, as I go, we all say Technip FMC. Right? Very hard to pronounce, bhaiya. Technip. We are used to technique. Ready? Okay, guys, are you guys ready? Technip FMC. One more time. Technip FMC. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. Okay, so can I have Arise, Team Arise here, please? Team Arise. Okay, can we have our Fauji here? Team Army. Team Fauji, can we have here, please? Army folks. Stay together, please. Team, oh, so please come, please join. Army, so can I have the Army folks here, please? Okay. Unke, 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 Okay, okay, all right. Put it up, are you ready? Fauji. Okay, all right. Without Fauji. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Okay, ready? All Fauji is ready. 5, 6, 7, go! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Okay, everyone. Okay, our same 5, 6, 7, go! A, B, C, D, E! Got it? Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, I request all the ambassadors of the event to please come forward. Dr. Kanta Shekhar. Rakesh Raut. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Vivek, Vivek Goel. Abhishek Tomar. Guys, please stay back. Let's have a group picture. I request all the ambassadors to please kneel down. Please take our punishment today for doing the good work. For doing the good work, yes. Hey! Give it up for all the red ambassadors today! Hey! Hip hip! Hip hip! Smile now, cheers everyone, cheers! ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి చెప్పాలి అందరూ మన ఫేస్ లెవెల్ పోయినాయి రెడీ ఒకటి 5 6 7 go cheers amazing thank you so much everyone on stage for all the brand ambassadors here thank you so much for your support so we expect support always with us team arise can you guys on stage please team arise టీమ్ అరైజ్ మీరు ఎక్కడున్నా అట్లా పరిధి కూడా వచ్చేసాడు స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి ఓకే ఆల్ రైట్ ఓన్లీ 4 it's fine I mean it's fine we just want the representation right all right chalo people should know you guys have worked in the back end come let's go give it up for us guys let's go amazing thank you so much so can we have Soham Academy please Soham Academy kids Soham Academy ఎక్కడైనా స్టేజ్ దగ్గర రావాలండి ప్లీజ్ కమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ Guys, let's call the social change makers of this event. So, Dr. N. Sai Bhaskar Reddy garu, Sri Neralla Malayatri garu, Sri Chandrasekhar Deshpande garu, Sri Ramesh Nandikonda garu, Sri Geetesh Kate garu. Guys, please bear with me. I'm going to repeat the names twice and thrice because wherever they are, they can hear me. Dr. N. Sai Bhaskar Reddy garu. Okay, so he's already here. So thank you. So Sri Neralla Malayatri garu, you're here. So thank you. So I'll skip the garu for now. So please don't mind. Okay, there's a long list to call. Sri Chandrasekhar Deshpande, Sri Ramesh Nandikonda, Sri Geetesh Kate, Sri Birender Prasad, Sri Sudesh Patil, Dr. M.K. Ramu. I repeat again, Sri Chandrasekhar Deshpande, Sri Ramesh Nandikonda, Sri Geetesh Kate, Sri Birender Prasad, Sri Sudesh Patil, Dr. M.K. Ramu, Sri Harish Kumar, Sri K.S. Arvind, Sri K.S. Arvind, Mr. I. Nishant Reddy, Sri Srinivasa Alluri, Sri Srinivasa Alluri, Dr. Manjula Kalyan, Dr. Manjula Kalyan, Dr. K. Jayachandra Mohan, Dr. K. Jayachandra Mohan, Mr. J. Nishant Reddy. Okay, already on stage. All right. So, Dr. K. Jayachandra Mohan. Perfect. Dr. Padma Shri on stage. Shri Jayprakash Namburu. Shri Gaurav Shirpurkar. Shri Gaurav Shirpurkar. Sorry, sir, if I spelled it wrong. Srimati Neela Moitra. Srimati Neela Moitra. Shri Lion K. Ramdas. Lion K. Ramdas. Okay, all right, we move on. Shri Kamal Singh Rathod. Shri Kamal Singh Rathod. Shri M. Rakesh Singh. Shri M. Rakesh Singh. Shri Sridhar Lokhande. Shri Sridhar Lokhande. Shri M. Srinivas Rao. M. Srinivas Rao. Shri Pallipattu Ramesh. Shri Pallipattu Ramesh. Okay, all right. Okay, Suhas Barve. Shri Suhas Barve. Please come on us. Shri P. Krishnamurthy. P. Krishnamurthy. Shri K. Suresh. Shri K. Suresh. Shri Marala Ravi Shastri. Marala Ravi Shastri. Shri Prashant Irekar. Do you have Prashant Irekar here? Shri SP Nayak Maharaj. Shri SP Nayak Maharaj. Shri A. Raghuveer Reddy. Raghuveer Reddy. Okay. Srimati Shyamala Devi. Srimati Shyamala Devi. Okay. Lot of applause from behind. Lot of following to her. Dr. Haripriya Reddy. Dr. Haripriya Reddy. Okay. Dr. Shiva Dhawat. नाम पे ही दावत है. All right. Dr. Ishnavat Venkat Naik. Ishnavat Venkat Naik. Shri Om Singh Raj Purohit. Om Singh Raj Purohit. We move on. Shri T. Prasad. T. Prasad. Shri Venkatesh Basunde. Shri Venkatesh Basunde. Shri Palitya Gopal Chauhan. Shri Palitya Gopal Chauhan. We move on. Shri Sudhakar Swami. Okay, ma'am. Do you have Suhas Barve here? Oh. Jairaj Arya, Balakrishna, Danta, Mr. Balakrishna, Dattapeetam, BHEL. Oh, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారా? ఓకే. శ్రీ జయరాజ్ ఆర్య,
పిఎస్ఎస్ఎం తరపున మీ అందరికీ మరొకసారి స్వాగతం. ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ అందరూ చాలా దూరం నుంచి ఎంతో శ్రమ కోర్చి ఈ ఈవెంట్కి వచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు సమాజం కోసం ఎంతో కొంత వాళ్ళ వంతు సహకారాన్ని అందించి సొసైటీ కోసం పనిచేసిన వాళ్ళే ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ స్టేజ్ మీద. at bottom level they are working. So on behalf of them, Poonam madam is going to, Dr. Poonam, she is a PhD in environmental science. She is a practitioner, medical practitioner also. She is certified and trained yoga teacher. So she is going to hand over the stage now.
नमस्ते सभी को, स्टेज के सभी मान्यवर, मैं सबका स्वागत करती हूँ यहाँ पर। और आप यहाँ पर हमारे जस्ट एक फ़ोन से, हमारी विनती से आप लोग यहाँ पर आए, उसके लिए मैं तहे दिल से सबका शुक्रिया करती हूँ, धन्यवाद करती हूँ। और यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग आए हैं, जितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, सबका तहे दिल से धन्यवाद कि आप लोग यहाँ पर आए, इतना अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया और हमारे पिरामिड सोसाइटी को इतना सक्सेसफुल ग्रैंड सक्सेस दिया। हमने जितना सोचा था उससे भी बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आए पार्टिसिपेशन के लिए। सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पार्टिसिपेंट्स को, यहाँ पर आने वाले वॉलंटियर्स जिन्होंने इतना 1 महीने से सब लोग ये प्रोग्राम के लिए लगे वाले हैं, तो सबका, और ऑफिसर्स जितने भी है यहाँ पर पीएसएसएम के, सबको दिल से धन्यवाद। यहाँ पर जितने भी जिनको सेवा मेडल दिए जा रहे हैं पत्री जी के नाम से, पत्री जी जिन्होंने एक ही चीज सोची थी कि जो भी लोग सेवा करते हैं उनका कहीं ना कहीं सम्मान होना चाहिए, और वो खुद अपने हाथ से जितने भी सेवा धारक है और जो समाज को बदलना चाहते थे, उनके मन में बहुत सम्मान था। तो उनको याद करते हुए आज का ये प्रोग्राम हमने रखा है, जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का ये प्रोग्राम है वर्ल्ड मेडिटेशन डे, उसके उपलक्ष्य में पत्री जी को याद करते हुए आज हमने ये प्रोग्राम यहाँ रखा है। तो यहाँ पर जितने भी सोशल चेंज मेकर्स है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है, जो सोसाइटी को कनेक्ट करते हैं और इतने लोगों को यहाँ पर लेके आए, उनका मैं दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ। और सेवा में जिनको भी मेडल्स अभी मिलने वाले हैं वो यहाँ रहे, उनका भी स्वागत है और सभी का स्वागत है यहाँ पर। धन्यवाद। एक 2 मिनट में हम फिर से प्रोग्राम चालू कर रहे हैं।
Our today's chief guest, Sri Mallikarjun Rao Garu, CMR Transportation Business. He started his business in 1987. He is the chairperson for PS Poti Sri Ramalu CMR Engineering College. In recognition of his social service, the Postal Department of India released 5 rupees stamp on surname. His ultimate goal is living in the service of the people of my nation till my last breath for the better society. This is the words from Sir. So on behalf of him, I'm talking. Thank you, sir, for coming. And one more guest is there. Actually he's not there. He attended because of late. He another event going to be started. Dhyana Mahachakram. So K. Vijay Bhaskar Reddy Garu, PSSM Trustee and Chairman, Hyderabad. Dhyanayajnam Event Chairman and Ashoka Builders Chairman. So he's also chief guest, but he's another event he need to start. Sir, few words.
వరల్డ్ యోగా డే సందర్భంగా ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ఇచ్చేసినటువంటి పెద్దలకి పిల్లలకి అందరికి కూడా నా శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేను యాక్చువల్గా విజయవాడలో ఉంటాను. మరి నాకు మొన్న గణేష్ గారు హరీష్ గారు మా కాలేజీకి వచ్చి వారి యొక్క సందేశాలను ఇవ్వడం, అలాగే ఆ రోజున పరిచయం అవడంతో ఈరోజు నిన్న హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చాను. నేను వచ్చిన సందర్భంగా వారు నన్ను ఇక్కడ ఆహ్వానించడం జరిగింది. మరి వారి ఆహ్వానాన్ని మన్నించి నేను ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమం రావడం చాలా చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. నిజంగా పొద్దున్న చూస్తే మాత్రం నాకు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. ఈ వరల్డ్ మెడిటేషన్ డే సందర్భంగా అటెండ్ అయినటువంటి పిల్లలకి పెద్దలకి అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటూ ముగిస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you, sir. So we are going to start the felicitation program of social influencers. So now felicitation is going to be start with Dr. Sai Bhaskar Reddy Garu, Nakka. Please. He is an Indian environmentalist and sustainable development professional with career spanning of over 25 years. He has also designed over 100 eco technologies and innovations, including about 50 good stuffs. He is author of 50 books on environmental climate change, water management, agriculture and sustainability, disaster risk reduction, sustainable agriculture, clean energy and rural livelihood. Thank you, sir, being with us. Nerella Malyadri Garu. Next, wait.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Next, Nerella Malyadri Garu, District Retired Judge, Advocate Supreme Court of India, New Delhi, Legal Advisor to several renowned institutions. Not everything that happens in a person's life changes their destiny, but some events bring true clarity. Next, Chandrasekhar Deshpande. Next, Nandikonda Ramesh Garu. Rashtriya Hindu Sanghatan General Secretary, Telangana. Nandikonda Ramesh Garu, Rashtriya Hindu Sanghatan General Secretary, Telangana.
Buddham Sharanam Gacchami.
Shri Geetesh Kate, founder of H2H. Shri Geetesh Kate Garu, founder of H2H. Please give him a big round of applause. Birender Prasad, Sub Inspector of CBI, Anti-Corruption Branch, Hyderabad. Native place is Uttarakhand. Sri Sudesh Patil, President of Maratha Mahasangh. Sri Suresh Patil, President of Maratha Mahasangh. Shri Harish Kumar sir, Big Data Engineer, Microsoft. Shri Harish Kumar sir, Big Data Engineer, Microsoft. K.S. Arvind Garu, Director, Heartfulness Institute. K.S. Arvind Garu, Director, Heartfulness Institute. Mr. J. Nishant Reddy Garu, Founder and Managing Trustee of Dharma Seva. Over 19 years, he has dedicated himself to the wellness, empowerment, and environmental awareness of youth, contributing to national safety and security through indigenous development of nuclear instruments. He also leads Telangana's natural lifestyle, Vipassana meditation, yoga, strength and trainer, and selfless service. He has been a pioneer force in the fight against drug abuse. His Disha Wellness program are reaching over 75,000 daily in residential schools. Srinivas Alluri, also known as Manavata Srinivas, is a tech entrepreneur and social reformer. He founded Manavata, a global non-profit promoting sustainable living, yoga, and cycling for humanity awareness campaigns. Dr. Manjula Kalyani next. Madam Manjula Kalyani ga లేదు. Dr. K. Jayachandra Mohan. Please, sir. Creating a disease-free society through practical lifestyle changes, strengthening natural immunity using wholesome natural food, yoga, and meditation, chemical-free living practices. He is especially passionate about child psychology, natural learning models, sustainable living, and natural farming. Thank you, sir. Dr. Padmasree, 33 years, homeo medical practice, medical officer, Urakonda, and child and women specialist. Music, please. Jaiprakash Namburu. He's a person who began his journey from Planet Wellness and extended to people well-being. He's a coach for high performance and well-being without counseling, using access bars, head therapy, yoga, meditation, and does mental health awareness and advocates self-care possibilities among corporate world.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
Neela Moitra, founder of Grow and Glow, a company that provides training and coaching service for the banking and insurance sector. She is also a consultant trainer for BFSI with certification from the International Coaching Federation and the Indian Leadership Academy. She has over 25 years of experience in the industry.
शरणं गच्छामि सङ्गं शरणं
Thank you, madam.
गच्छामि
Line K. Ramadas garu. A great businessman, industrialist, and serving for society from last 15 years through Lions Club Adera. From the last 5 years, 900 plus days without single day gap, driving hunger relief camp at Uppal. Kamal Singh Rathod.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं
Kamal Singh Rathod garu.
गच्छामि
8th generation heir, 7th generation successor of several Maharajas and chairman of Banjara Foundation, Andhra Pradesh. Chairman of Banjara Foundation, Andhra Pradesh. Shri M. Rakesh Singh. Shri M. Rakesh Singh garu. राष्ट्रीय हिंदू संगठन कारवान प्रेसिडेंट.
बुद्धं शरणं
श्री श्रीधर एल, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट,
बुद्धं शरणं
बसवसार समाज तेलंगाना.
श्रीधर लोखंडे, पावसाळ क्षत्रिय काँग्रेस समाज तेलंगणा वाईस प्रेसिडेंट.
एम श्रीनिवासराव. एम श्रीनिवासराव. एम श्रीनिवासराव. प्लीज. एम श्रीनिवासराव गारू. పల్లిపట్టు రమేష్. పి కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు. పి కృష్ణమూర్తి is it పి కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు. కె సురేష్ గారు, ఫౌండర్ and selenium testing trainer, IT Academy. He has successfully trained 6,000 plus students in full stack software testing, covering manual testing.
शरणं गच्छामि
API testing, and latest advancements in the AI-driven testing. Marella Ravishankar garu. Marella Ravishankar. National Youth Climate Champion. National Youth Climate Champion. Prashant Irekar. SP Naik Maharaj. Mr. A. Raghuveera Reddy. Mrs. Puppula Shyamala Devi.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
MA BEd LLB, 40 years experience in social work, experience in molding children, youth and women with special focus on the marginalized and deprived and those at risk, resource persons for various organizations, training provided on human rights, women and child related law, rights of transgender, drug abuse, rights of people with disabilities and mental health. Suhas Badwe garu.
Good morning, everyone. Well, I'm Suhas Barve, advocate by profession, and by passion, I deal with many, fields like acting director, writer, social influencer, as well as choreographer, and then I don't know, the departments I hold it. Fortunately, I'm blessed person in the universe, I would say. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Haripriya Reddy. Dr. Shiva Dawat. Founder President, Saniksha Foundation. Our village, our responsibility is the concept. Please, ma'am. All are grassroots level workers and change makers. Venkat Naik garu. Dr. Ishalawat Venkat Naik garu. Please. He do social service, clean and green activities, and also a rock artist.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
Om Singh Rajpurohit, Om Singh Rajpurohit, State President. Shri T. Prasad. Venkatesh Basudev. Patiala Gopal Chauhan. Palitia Gopal Chauhan. Sudhakar Swami.
गच्छामि
Jairaj Arya sir,
बुद्धं शरणं
Jairaj Arya sir,
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
Jairaj Arya sir, బాలకృష్ణ గారు దత్తపీఠం,
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
శ్రీ గౌరవ్,
शरणं
శ్రీ పురస్కార్, banking sector, IT professional and meditation practitioner. So the special announcement is a Manikeshwari Mata who did not taken food for 70 years. అహింస, విశ్వశాంతి గురించి ధ్యానం గురించి మాత ప్రబోధాలు చేశారు. వారి తరపున విశిష్ట సేవా పురస్కారాన్ని అందించవలసిందిగా పిఎస్ఎస్ఎం సొసైటీని కోరుతున్నాం.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं
Thank you very much, my dear friends. सभी दिग्गजों को, सभी dignitaries को, सभी masters को मेरा हार्दिक हार्दिक प्रणाम. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. So, I really want to thank each and everyone for coming here and gracing this occasion with your beautiful presence. And this meditation and ahimsa run is a new chapter in PSSM. We have started some new chapter in PSSM wherein we attract many more youth coming into meditation and into ahimsa. Main pillars of PSSM, which is meditation and one is vegetarianism. So we are here to promote both of them and slowly become more and more ahimsak as we go, because meditation will help us practice ahimsa in every facet of our life, whether it be in eating, in thinking, in talking, or in the way of life. We have to practice ahimsa everywhere. So that is the main agenda of this run, to introduce meditation ahimsa and how it helps everyone to live a beautiful and compassionate life. So I would really like to thank everyone, and I'm saying thanks on behalf of Patriji as well. So thank you so much, masters, for coming in here and gracing our occasion. Thank you so much, and would love to meet you and work with you further in the future. Definitely on a on organizational level, will go ahead. Our work should go ahead. Meditation should go everywhere. Meditation should reach every person, and that is our goal. So that is the only goal that we have. Let us work together with the same agenda, with the same goal. Let us move forward together stronger. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Woo! Thank you so much.
So please join here on stage for one group photo.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇప్పుడు దాకా వాళ్ళు మనకు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలిపారు. ఇంత గొప్ప కార్యక్రమాన్ని జరిపినందుకు మీ అందరి తరపున వారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతూ ఈ సెలవును మేడంకి మేడం చెప్పిన 2 మాటలు చాలా నాకు బాగా నచ్చినాయి. అయితే యోగాసనాల ప్రక్రియకైతే గురువు కావాలి. శ్వాసనే గురువుగా తలిచి ఉచ్ఛ్వాస నిశ్వాసలపై దృష్టి పెడితే అదే ధ్యానం. బుద్ధుడు చెప్పిన అనపాన సతి ఇదే. ఆన అంటే పీల్చే గాలి, అపాన అంటే విడిచే గాలి, సతి అంటే కలయిక. ఇది శ్వాస మీద ధ్యాసగా ప్రాచుర్యం పొందింది. ఎరుకుతో కూడిన నిద్రయే ధ్యానం. ఇది నిద్ర కన్నా 3 రెట్ల అధిక ప్రాణశక్తిని శరీరానికి ఇస్తుంది. భారతీయ సంస్కృతి సాంప్రదాయాలు వేదాల్లో భాగంగా ఇమిడిపోయిన ఈ ధ్యాన ప్రక్రియ ప్రపంచాన్ని ఆకర్షించింది. సాధన ద్వారా ధ్యానం సాధ్యమనేది వివరించింది భగవద్గీత. మనసును శాంతింపజేయటం, ఆత్మకు దగ్గర కావడమే ధ్యానం. అయితే దాంతోపాటు అహింస గురించి చెప్పారు, వెజిటేరియన్ గురించి చెప్పారు. నేను ఇదివరకు అంటే కరోనాకు ముందు నాన్ వెజిటేరియన్ కూడా తీసుకున్నాను. కానీ కరోనా తర్వాత వెజిటేరియన్ అయ్యాను. మేడం చెప్పినటువంటి ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి సంపూర్ణ మద్దతు ఇస్తున్నాము. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
సార్ మల్లికార్జున్ సార్. సార్ మల్లికార్జున్ గారు. సార్ మీరు మెడల్స్ ఒక 5 మెడల్స్. డాక్టర్ పరమేశ్వర్ రెడ్డి గారు, పత్రిజీ స్పిరిచువల్ సేవా మెడల్ హోల్డర్స్, ప్లీజ్ బీ గెట్ రెడీ. ఐఎమ్ కాలింగ్ ద నేమ్స్, హూఎవర్ ఈస్ దేర్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ హియర్. డాక్టర్ పరమేశ్వర్ రెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీమతి మాధవి, శ్రీ రాజేష్ పోలా, శ్రీమతి లక్ష్మి గారు, ప్లీజ్ గ్యాదర్ నియర్. శ్రీ నాగేంద్రం, శ్రీ నాగేంద్రం గారు, గురుస్థాన్, శ్రీ నాగేంద్రం గారు, శ్రీమతి లక్ష్మి గారు, ప్లీజ్ గెట్ రెడీ. ఐ హావ్ సీన్ మేడం. లక్ష్మి మేడం. లక్ష్మి మేడం. దూళ్ళపూడి చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు. శ్రీ పులి రామ్మోహన్ గారు. శ్రీ పులి
మాధవి ధాత్రిక రాలే. ఓకే, రాజేష్ పుల్లా గారు. లక్ష్మి మేడం. కుక్కట్పల్లి లక్ష్మి మేడం. ఓకే. మీర్పేట్ వెంకటేశ్వరరావు గారు. ఓకే. వాణి మేడం. ధ్యాన్ జగత్ వాణి మేడం. వేణు, పైమా వేణు. జీవన్, జీవన్ పొట్లూరి. Vishwa, Yashwant, can you pick up Vishwa's medal, please? Yashwant. Yashwant, if you're there, here, anywhere. Yashwant. Mansi, that movie coach. Shri Joshi ji, Srimati Swarnalata madam, Dr. P.V. Sharma, Srimati Parijata, Srimati Madhavi, Shri Sarvesh, Venkatesh, Mallikarjuna, Shri Ranjit from Light Workers team, Srimati Saroja, Satish Garu, Sabito Mamahesh. Subramanyam Garu, Sri Janardhan, Sri Ramu, Vishwa, Pavan, Pavan Kumar Royala, Navya Shri, Geeta Mishra, Harsha Pamnani, Shri Surender Agarwal, Srimati Kashmira Thakkar, Srimati Mamta Sharma, Shri Dattatreya Benne, Shri Surya Prakash Basani, Srimati Aarti Ashtekar. Shri Harsha Pamnani, Shri Geeta Mishra, Srimati Geeta Mishra. Let us all congratulate them by clapping, please, because they have done a great service to the entire world through the spreading of meditation, through the spreading of vegetarianism everywhere from many years.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
श्रीमती गीता मिश्रा, हर्ष, श्री हर्ष पम्मनेनी, श्री हर्ष पम्मनेनी,
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं
श्री सुरेंद्र अग्रवाल, श्री सुरेंद्र अग्रवाल, काश्मीर ठाकुर, ममता, काश्मीर ठाकुर, ममता शर्मा, श्री दत्तात्रेय बन्ने, श्रीमती आरती शेतकर, श्रीमती आरती, दत्तात्रेय बन्ने, आरती, श्रीमती आरती, पत्रीजी स्पिरिचुअल सेवा मेडल होल्डर, ममता शर्मा गारू, श्रीमती ममता शर्मा गारू, మమతా శర్మ గారు, శ్రీ దత్తాత్రేయ బెండే, సూర్యప్రకాష్ బాసాని, సూర్యప్రకాష్ బాసాని, గంగాధర్ టి గంగాధర్, టింకు నిక్నేమ్ టి గంగాధర్ గారు, శ్రీ వెంకటరెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీ వెంకటరెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీ వెంకటరెడ్డి గారు,
గచ్ఛామి బుద్ధం శరణం గచ్ఛామి బుద్ధం శరణం
శ్రీ వెంకటరెడ్డి గారు, శ్రీ కిషోర్ గారు, శ్రీ కిషోర్ గారు, శ్రీ కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు, శ్రీ బి నరసింహులు, శ్రీ బి నరసింహులు, శ్రీ రాజశేఖర్ గారు, శ్రీ రాజశేఖర్ గారు, శ్రీ డి అజయ్ కుమార్, శ్రీ డి అజయ్ కుమార్, శ్రీ డి అజయ్ కుమార్, ఆమిని మానస, ఆమిని మానస, ఆమిని మానస, శ్రీ గణేష్, శ్రీ గణేష్, आप बैठे हो मैडम, श्री गणेश, श्री गणेश, श्रीमती दिव्यश्री, श्रीमती दिव्यश्री, श्रीमती दिव्यश्री, श्रीमती दिव्या, दिव्या, महेश, श्री महेश, श्री महेश, on behalf of him anybody can, श्री किशोर गारू, So now felicitation to our chief guest. Sri Mallikarjun Garu, CMR Group. Vijay Garu, please join. Prashanti, and all pyramid masters, whoever is present. And last, all volunteers gather here for one good group photo. All Pyramid PSSM Paima volunteers, please gather here near stage for group photo. Make it fast. All PSSM Paima volunteers, please gather near to the stage. Parinita ma'am, can you please come near the stage?
मैं सुरेश कुमार जी को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहती हूँ. प्लीज डू कम. Vote of thanks by Manasi. So, Manasi. అవును కదా ఎందుకు మ్యూజిక్ respected elders, dear friends, and my dear masters. As we come to the close of this beautiful gathering, it is my honor and privilege. It's a privilege to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this day a beautiful gathering. First and foremost, we offer our deepest gratitude to our beloved founder, Brahmarshi Patriji Garu, with reverence and love
we thank him for gifting the world the simple yet powerful science of meditation, for envisioning Dhyana Jagat, Shakahara Jagat, and Pyramid Jagat, and for inspiring millions of people to live with awareness, compassion, and courage. Everything we experience today stands rooted in his vision. We also express our heartfelt gratitude to all the PSSM masters for their unconditional love, guidance, and support. Your presence, your blessings, and silent strength continue to inspire us and uplift the entire movement. With that foundation, we would like to sincerely thank our main team, Anil Potnuru Garu, Krishna Bomma Garu, Pyramid Vijay Garu, and Vasanta Garu. Your guidance, experience, and steady support formed the strong backbone of this event. And a heartfelt thank you to our event coordinator, Ranjit Garu, and a great gratitude to Madhavi Dhatri Garu, our PSSM coordinator, for her guidance, wisdom, and support. Special thanks to our coordinators, Gokul and Kiran, for their consistent efforts, attention to detail, and smooth handling of operations throughout. And a sincere thanks to Bharadwaj Garu as well. And a special note of gratitude to Shankar Reddy Garu for arranging RTC buses for the Pyramid Masters to travel comfortably to Kadtal, ensuring smooth and timely coordination. A special note of thanks to Simha for beautiful capturing the moments and memories of the event. And our heartfelt gratitude to PMC for streaming today's program live, allowing the message of meditation passion reach many more hearts beyond. Big thank you. A big thank you to our energetic Vishwa, Yashwant, and for your enthusiasm, dedication, and spirited involvement. A special thank you to our Paima mentor, Suresh Kalburgi ji. And we extend our special thanks to Dr. Poonam Nomaluru and Meenakshi Madam for their encouragement, presence, and valuable support. And finally, thank you so much, ma'am, for all your support and guidance. And finally, our heartfelt thanks to every volunteer, participant, and supporter. Your time, your energy, and collective spirit are truly what made this event a successful one. With deep gratitude, we conclude today's gathering in the spirit of meditation, compassion, and togetherness. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, everyone. Kudos to all of you who ran today for peace and compassion. So, guys, from here, what you are going to learn new is to practice meditation every day. Yes or no? Yeah, guys? All the runners over there. Are you going to start meditation from today? Yes? So, keep at it and have fun, enjoy life, but do meditation. So thank you so much, everyone. This is Meditation and Ahimsa Run 2025. Thanking everyone who participated. See you next year. And I'm wishing you all a very, 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 very happy new year. Thank you.